Earlier this week, we wrote a friendly letter to Egypt. Tomorrow, you are going to write another friendly letter, this time to someone that lives in Japan. So to begin with, I have an example of a friendly letter written by Abby to her grandma. She writes, "Dear Grandma, I had a fun day at school. I am learning about Japan. Did you know that there is an island in Japan that is full of rabbits? I would love to go there. I would feed carrots to all the rabbits. I hope you are able to visit again soon. Love, Abby." Now let's review the parts of a friendly letter. We have "Dear Grandma," that is the greeting. Then we have several sentences in their body, and we have a closing, love. We end it with a signature, Abby. To write your friendly letter to Japan, we first have to learn about Japan. So let's take a look at some things that we need to know about Japan before writing to someone who may live there. Japan is made up of a group of islands. A group of islands is called an archipelago, so Japan is an archipelago. And on this slide, I also included the flag of Japan, which is just a white background with a red circle right in the center of it. It is very mountainous. Many people climb Mount Fuji in the summertime. There are many earthquakes in Japan. Rabbit Island is home to hundreds of wild rabbits. People like to go there and feed them, just to see how many can gather around them. Now, if you wanted to live in Japan for a long time, you would probably have to learn a new language, Japanese. Japanese is very similar to Chinese in that both languages have characters. So you can pause this video and take a closer look at some characters. The easiest one would probably be the 0. Some animals that live in Japan are the wild boar, the goblin shark, the Japanese forest rat snake, and the Steller sea lion. Now these sea lions are larger than the ones we see in California. These ones can grow up to 11 feet long and weigh up to 2,500 pounds. That's for the male sea lions. The female or the girl sea lions can grow up to 9 feet long and weigh 1,000 pounds. If you lived in Japan, you would probably eat a lot of Japanese food. Things like sushi, rice, ramen, soy sauce. They also like to eat a lot of fresh fruit and vegetables. And you would not use forks and spoons over there. You would probably be using chopsticks. Before you write your letter to Japan, what language do the people of Japan speak? What is the weather like? What kind of animals are there? What kinds of food do Japanese people eat? Remember that when you write your friendly letter, I want you to have this format with the greeting in the top left corner and the closing and a signature in the bottom corner. As you write your body, I want you to check for capital letters, punctuation marks, and do your sentences make sense? Does each sentence have a who and a what? That's how we know they make sense. Today, on Thursday, you're going to write a greeting and a starter sentence. And then tomorrow, on Friday, I want you to finish writing your friendly letter. At the end of this video, I would like you to pause and read the friendly letter I have written to you.